Play Patrol Academy!
Hey Play Patrollers, Mr. Boom Boom here, and we're gonna do a fun game called Popcorn Hands. We're gonna use our snare drum or practice drum pads and practice going between our right and left hands. And then when we pop, we're gonna use both hands together, pop, just like that. Now, while drumming, it's really important that we have grown-up supervision while using our drumsticks. So make sure there's a grown-up with you. Now, another thing that I want you to be cautious of is how high you're raising your stick while playing. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to pretend that there's like an imaginary line right here. And when you play your drum, that you don't lift your stick any higher than that imaginary line. Finally, the way we hold our drumsticks, do we hold them with our thumbs up like that? No way. We turn like this so our thumbs are on the inside. You got it. Let's start our game. When you see the letter R on the screen, that means use your right hand. And when you see the letter L, use your left hand. And finally, when you see the letter B, use both hands. And that's the final pop of our popcorn. Every stroke on your drum pad or drum is a piece of popcorn popping. And we're gonna play 3 patterns and put them together. Then we're gonna speed up and see how well you can play the pattern fast doing the correct sticking. The first pattern is very simple. We're just doing quarter notes and alternating between the right and left hand like this. Right, left, right, left. That's it. Do it with me. Right, left, right, left. One more time, you're doing great. Right, left, right, left. The second part of our pattern is doing the same hand twice. Can you try it with me? Here we go. Right, right, left, left. Very good. Let's do it again. Right, right, left, left. One more time. You're doing great. Right, right, left, left. The final pattern really isn't a pattern at all. We just hit the drum or our drum pad with both hands at the same time. Pop, just like that. Try it with me. Ready? Pop. You got it. So now let's put it all together nice and slow, and then we're going to get faster and faster and faster. Now, the goal isn't just to play the pattern fast, it's to use the correct sticking. So let's go over the patterns one more time. Pattern 1 is right, left, right, left. Second pattern is right, right, left, left. And the final part is the pop, pop. All right, let's go nice and slow. Put it all together. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left. Both. 2, 3. Again. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left. Both. Again, you're doing great. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left. Both. Let's go a little faster. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left. Both. Again, one more time. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left. Both. Want your child to learn drumming without the sound overload? My practice drum pad combo is the perfect solution. It comes with a practice drum pad and case, drumsticks, and a Mr. Boom Boom's Music Room t-shirt. You can grab yours today by visiting MrBoomBoom.shop and use promo code YouTube10 to save 10%. Now let's kick it up a notch. Let's go even faster, all right? This is our new tempo, all right? 1, 2, here we go. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left. Both. 2, 3, again. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left. Both. 2, 3, go. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left. Both. 2, 3, again. Right, left, right, left, left. Both. 2, 3, again. Right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Both. Very good. And if you need more time to practice to go fast, it is okay. I care more about you doing the correct sticking and making sure your stick isn't going too high rather than just going fast. So let's practice slowly one more time and then we'll do it fast. All right, 1, 2, 3, here we go. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left, both. Again, here we go. A little faster now. Again, here we go. right, let's speed up our tempo. Here we go. Even faster now. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left. Both. One more time. Very good. I'll see you again soon for our next challenge. If your family enjoys watching me here in my music room, I need your help. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That'll help us reach even more kids from around the world. And don't forget to follow me on social media.